He was born on a U.S. military base, but now he's stateless, homeless, and dumped in Jamaica? Today, we're diving into a story that's confusing, emotional, and honestly, outrageous. A man born on a U.S. military base to a Jamaican father, who served almost 20 years in the U.S. Army, was deported to Jamaica, a country he's never been to. His name is Jermaine Thomas, and his story exposes the cold side of U.S. immigration and the shocking way Jamaica is now involved. Let's break it down. Jermaine Thomas was born in 1986 on a U.S. Army base in Germany. His father, a Jamaican man, served 18 years in the U.S. military. His mother was Kenyan. Like many military kids, Jermaine moved around a lot, base to base, country to country. Eventually, he ended up living in Florida with his father until he passed away in 2010. That's when things started to fall apart. Jermaine got caught up in legal trouble, some jail time, some bad choices, and suddenly the U.S. government decided, you don't belong here. But here's the twist. Even though Jermaine was born on a U.S. military base to a man who wore the uniform for nearly 2 decades, the Supreme Court said he's not a U.S. citizen. That's right, he was declared stateless. So what did they do? They deported him to Jamaica. Jermaine had never been to Jamaica. He didn't grow up here. He doesn't speak Patois. He has no Jamaican passport, no birth certificate, no family here. But somehow, Jamaica accepted him. Why? Some people believe Jamaica took him in for money, that deportation deals are being approved without enough checks, just to collect a fee. Is that true? And if it is, what does that say about our country? Are we just taking anyone the U.S. wants to throw away, as long as there's money behind it? Let me know in the comments below. Should Jamaica have rejected him? Jermaine is now living in a hotel in Kingston. But here's the scary part. He doesn't even know who's paying for it. The U.S.? Jamaica? Nobody's telling him. He can't get a job. He doesn't have ID. And nobody seems to be helping him figure out if he's even here legally. One minute, he was in Texas, rough but surviving. The next, he's in a strange hotel in a strange country with no documents and no plan. It's like he was kidnapped by the system, moved like cargo, and dumped off with no instructions. Let's talk truth. Jermaine did make mistakes. His record includes domestic violence and other issues. But here's the question. Does crime cancel out your nationality? Should one man's mistakes give a government the right to strip him of any citizenship? His father gave 18 years to the U.S. Army. Jermaine was raised in America by American law. He was born on a U.S. base. So why is the U.S. treating him like a disposable outsider? And why is Jamaica playing along? Why didn't they send him to Kenya, where his mother is from? Why accept him here when he has no ties? It feels like Jamaica is being used, a dumping ground for people other countries don't want to deal with. And that should bother all of us. Jermaine's case isn't just about one man. It's about the loopholes, bureaucracy, and the way powerful countries handle people when the system fails. He's not just undocumented, he's stateless. That means no passport, no travel, no work, no rights, and no clear path to fix it. All because of a paperwork issue and a government that didn't care enough to fix it in time. So I'm asking you, should Jamaica be accepting people who aren't citizens just because another country doesn't want them? Should U.S. military children automatically get citizenship if they're born on base? And most of all, is Jermaine's case just the tip of the iceberg? Are there more people like him out there, lost between 2 countries with no home? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this story shocking, confusing, or just straight up wrong, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and make sure your voice is heard. Because this isn't just about immigration, it's about human rights.